Assalamu alaikum friends and students, welcome to your own channel GeoHeart, and I am your mentor Sana Shireen. So today we learn about how to draw the ternary diagram. So let us start. Here you just see that I just take the question paper 2021 and just take the data of ternary diagram. So here we are going to draw a ternary diagram, and you can see that here they are given the A, B, C, D, E borehole and the textual data of sand, silt and clay. This data is shown in percentage, and now we can draw it. See that I just draw a triangle shape, and here I just take a 1 centimeter gap, and this line is 10 centimeter. Now I am going to join the line with the help of a scale. Now you can see that how I join this line. First you draw like this. After that I join the point of right side and the bottom points. And now it's complete, and after that I just join the line horizontally, and you can see that here it's make lots of small triangle shape, and then after that I just write here this is the side of clay, so I write here clay. Then this is the side of silt, so we should write here silt, and at last but not least there is the there are the side of clay. Sorry, it's not clay, it's a side of sand. And then we start the sand side from the right side to left. It's like this: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Then we start clay from bottom to top. So here the 0 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Then we start the sill side from top to bottom like this. After that, now we put the data on the diagram. So here there are percentages: 22% sand. So here the 22% is this the 20, and here the 22. If you don't know the exact point, then you should use the scale. So you can see that here is the 2.2, that's the sand's percentage 22. Then we can go to the silt. So here the 40% is silt, so this is the line of silt, and the 38% of clay. So there is the 38% of clay. So now we can join this. So first we join the 40% silt with 22% sand in this point, because the 38% clay is joined here. So this is the clay and here is the sand, and we know about the silt. So this is the point of sample or serial number 1 or borehole number A. So like this we can join the number B point. So number B is sand's percentage is 95. So we can see that the percentage of sand is 95. So it's a middle point between 90 and 100. Then silt is 22, only 2. So here the point of silt you can see here. If you have any doubt, then clear your doubt with scale. Then the clay is 3. So where is the clay? So clay is here. So it's a clay. So now we can see that if I come from here to here, then I just join this line, so it make a point in this area. So I just joined it, and be careful with the lines, because if we go against this line, then it will be wrong. So make it parallel with this triangle shape. If you can make a line from sand, then you should draw it this side, and if it's just like it's parallelly, and if you draw the clay part, then you should draw it horizontally, and if you take the silt part, then you should draw it like this. So I just take this point with the I just take this line with the parallel of this. Okay, so this is my number 2 point. Okay, so this is my number 2 point. Then we draw the number 3 point or C. Here you can see that sand is 45, silt is 42, and clay is 13. So sand is 45, it's here. Then silt is 42, so silt is 42, so it's this point, and clay is 13, so it's here. So now you can see that if I go to in this manner, so I just join the point here. So I just draw this line horizontally like this. Then I join this line, the line of sand. Then I join the line of silt. Now you can see that now I can mark this point. So it's the number C point. So I just write here shortly. It's the number A, this is the number B, and this is the number C. So again I just draw the number 4. So here is the 25, 65 and 10. So you should draw the line of sand 25, 25 is here, then 65 is silt, so 65 is here, and clay is 10, so 10 is the main line which we know. So just it's a very easy because we know about the line of 10. So just draw the silt line like this, and then okay, you can see that my line is just go against with the parallel, so I just rub it and make the line perfect. Okay, now you can see the line is very carefully draw parallelly. And then I join the line of silt. So you can see this is the number D. So this is the point of number D. Now I just draw the last point, number E. So here the 13, 84 and 3. So 13 is here, then silt is 84, so it's here, and clay is 3, so it's the same line which we draw in number B. So I just first I take the line of sand, so I just draw it very little because we know that the line of clay is here. Now we should draw it, and at last we join this with the line of silt. So this is the last line, and we complete this diagram. So it's a number E. So you can see that this is the number A, then B, C, D and E. So like this we draw the ternary diagram, but here the here we can, it's a main it's a very important thing that we should write the heading. So first of all I just write the heading of the table. So here you should write the worksheet for ternary diagram. So this is the heading of the table. Now it's done to the heading of the diagram. So the heading of the diagram is you can write it broadly, but because here the area is very short, I write it here. There are ternary diagram showing the relationship between not between, it's among. Relationship among sand, silt, and clay. So this is the heading of the diagram. And the one thing which I forgot, that here you can mark the which area is covered with which soil. So we just make a line about it, and you will also say it in your question paper, but it's better that you learn about it. So I just start with the sand. So here it's in from this point, just from the clay 10% here it start from, and then it's come to this, right? So here's the area of sand. Then we go to the silt. So the area of silt is here from 88 to sand 20. So I just draw it with different color. Okay, so this is the area of silt. I just write it with blue colored pen. So this is the silt, and here you can write sand. Then we come to the area of clay. So the area of clay is here, it says 58.58 to, so from 58 to here, where this line joined, it's a 40% of clay and 60% of silt. This is the line of, sorry, this is the area of clay. So this is the area of clay. So it's the main area, clay, sand and loam, but there are lots of soil which is just a combined form of clay, sand and silt. So first of all we draw like this. It's a point of 45, and so here so it's just a line of, it's a sand clay. So it's a sand clay, and except the sand, silt and clay, there are one of the most important soil, which is the loam. So here we can see that the center point in the central area there's the loam soil, which is very important in this diagram. You can see that I just draw it here. This is drawn 20% of sand line, and then this is the area of loam. So we can find that clay, sand, silt, loam, and with the mixture of clay and sand it make a sand and clay. Then with the mixture of sand, clay and loam it becomes sand, clay, loam soil, sand, clay, loam soil, and here you can see that there is soil of sandy loam with the mixture of sand and loam, and here is the loamy soil, sand. Then we come to the right side. So here you can find that this is the soil of silt, clay, then silt, clay, loam with the mixture of silt, clay and loam, silt, clay, loam, and at last you can see that this large area is silt loam with a mixture of silt and loam. And here this central part is clay loam, which is mix up of clay and loam. Now this diagram is completed, but you have to show their index about these points and about the direction of clay, silt and sand. And the main thing, we just take the percentage of sand, silt and clay. Here you can see the scale, or you can write here also. Their scale is 1 centimeter equal to 10% soil particles. This is our scale, and we should draw. I just draw a column for our index. So here I just write the index. So now you can see that I just write here the index, and here I just show the point of borehole A, B, C, D, E, and then I just draw a direction of sand, silt and clay. And here you can see the scale. Here I just say about it, 1 centimeter equal to 10% of sand particles. So now this ternary diagram is completed. You can say it properly. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, so please, if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe this channel for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.